from Kaipiddi, which means holding hands. Kabaddi is a sport that is played through the length and breadth of India, north, south, east, west. जयपुर पिंक पैंथर्स का जो सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस है, हम लोग ने ये डिसाइड किया था कि हम चाहते हैं कि वी हैव प्लेयर्स फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री, और ये चाहते हैं कि सबसे कंपेटिटिव स्क्वाड हम लोग फील्ड पे उतारें. सो इट्स गॉट नथिंग टू डू विद दैट दे ओनली प्ले इन द नॉर्थ, या ऐसी कोई बात है नहीं. इट्स प्लेड एज मच इन से फॉर एग्जांपल बंगाल एज इन तमिलनाडु, or in Haryana, or in Punjab. So it's played across India.
Hi Abhishek, Urvi here from Pinkvilla.
Hi.
Hi. Abhishek, with IPL running into controversies, do you think that attention would be now more on other sports, including Kabaddi?
I think India is ready for a sporting revolution. I said this last year. Not only did we have the Pro Kabaddi League, we had the ISL. Both were hugely successful. India is ready for sports. We want to see sports, and it's become a form of entertainment as well. So I think there's always enough room for everybody and everything. The numbers of people that saw Kabaddi last year goes to prove that to become from a sport which is very rarely shown on television to being viewed by 433 million people, that's more than the population of most countries on earth. So that's amazing. So I think people are ready to see more sports. So it's not about shifting focus from any other sport. It's just that these boys are just the best at what they do. You're talking about the best athletes, as far as I'm concerned, in the world, especially in Kabaddi. And they're all here, and they put on a great show when they play Kabaddi. They're exciting to watch. And if you've seen it on television, it's a very exciting TV show as well. So that's why it's getting its importance. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. I mean, people say, oh, they've got, Abhishek is a team owner, so he's, because he's a film actor, they'll watch the thing. If through my celebrity, whatever little I have of it, if I can help bring the spotlight onto the sport, fantastic. But at the end of the day, it's these guys that have to perform. If the sport is not going to be exciting to watch, if they're not going to be great athletes, nobody's going to be interested. So it's got nothing to do with me and the fact that I'm here. It's got to do with the fact that these guys are the best at what they do.
Abhishek sir here, Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. Sir, first of all, congratulations for your team. My question to you is, sir, you said that Kabaddi is Indian sport. This is, India's sport. So, you said that Kabaddi is gaining recognition in India. That many people are watching India. But what about the international countries? Have we brought the change of recognizing the Kabaddi in international countries?
Okay, I'll give you some information on Kabaddi. More nations on earth play Kabaddi than they do cricket. How's that for a statistic? 36 nations officially have a Kabaddi team. We have 2 new international players with us. Mohammad is from Iran. He's just come in yesterday. Hwang Yi is from Korea. Iran reached the finals of the Asian Games where they lost to India. Thank God. And India is the undisputed champions. But last year we had Jungkook Lee from Korea who made a huge impact. So 36 nations officially play Kabaddi. So Kabaddi is growing. I was asked last year, why is it not in the Olympics? The International Olympic Committee has a rule that minimum 55 nations need to play the sport and need to have a federation. Kabaddi has reached 36. Canada, America, Denmark, Netherlands, France, England, Kenya, Korea, Iran, Iraq, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Nepal. These are all nations that are fantastic. We had David Sai last year from Taipei. So it's a sport that is growing very fast. It needs 55 countries with federations to be in the Olympics, and part of what we're trying in Pro Kabaddi League is also to have as many international players come in so that that sport gets even more attention back home. So it is a sport that has made a huge impact, and Pro Kabaddi League has impacted the sport of Kabaddi worldwide. So like I said, more countries play Kabaddi than they do cricket.
My question is to Navneet. I'm sorry I was interrupted. Navneet, last time you all lost the first game, but you all won the series. This time what do you want? You want to win the first game or lose the first game?
जरूर जीतने के लिए आए हैं, जीत के जाएंगे. हमारा जो मोटिव है वो प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 2 विन करने का. 100% मैं बिल्कुल श्योर हूँ, मेरे जितने भी कुलीग्स बैठे हैं यहाँ पे, इनकी तरफ से कि हम जीतने के लिए आए हैं। बहुत मेहनत करी है हमने, बहुत दिन रात एक किए हैं सारी मेहनत के लिए। कोच साहब ने हमें बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत कराई है और उम्मीद करते हैं कल का मैच हम जीतें और इसके साथ में प्रो कबड्डी सीजन 2 भी हम जीत के जाएंगे।
नवनीत, पिछले साल के विनर हैं आप और इस साल भी आपके।
नवनीत ये है आलोक। यूजुअली ये सबसे पहला सवाल पूछते हैं, आज पता नहीं पीछे रह गए।
साला सेंटर में बैठा हुआ। नवनीत, टाइटल है आपके पास, उसको फिर बचाना है इस साल भी, और लास्ट ईयर हमने देखा था कि सब कुछ चंद मिनटों में हो जाता है। तो फील्ड पे क्या स्ट्रेटजी रहती है कप्तान के रूप में, आप जब किसी भी रेडर को भेजते हैं?
देखिए, मेरा ये मानना है एज ए पर्सनल स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, मैं ये सोचता हूँ एज ए कैप्टन कि कबड्डी बहुत माइनर सेकंड्स में इसकी स्ट्रेटजी चेंज हो सकती है। और बहुत अब मान लीजिए कि वहाँ पे अपोनेंट टीम में 3 मेंबर्स हैं और वहाँ पे डिफेंडर नहीं है, सारे रेडर खड़े हैं, तो और कोई कबड्डी के रूल्स अगर कोई जानता हो तो वहाँ पे अगर थर्ड रेड मेरे को डिसाइड करना है, अगर कैच होगी तो 2 पॉइंट्स होंगे, तो मेरे को कौन सा रेडर उस वक्त भेजना है, कौन से प्लेयर्स को हमें डिस्टर्ब करना है, किस प्लेयर को हमें ज़्यादा ऊपर लेके आना है, ये सारी जो स्ट्रेटेजियाँ हैं वो हमें उसी वक्त माइनर सेकंड्स के अंदर चेंज करनी पड़ती हैं कि बस हमें ये मैच जीतना है, उसकी कैच मारनी है। एज ए डिफेंडर मैं ये सोचता हूँ और एज ए ऑफेंडर ये सोचेंगे कि कैसे मैं पॉइंट लेके आऊँ ताकि मैं हमारी